Today, I wanted to give you a quick peek inside the Academy. Once you receive all your login information and you are signed in, this is what it should look like. This is your portal. And let's start with the home page, the welcome page. You'll have a quick video tutorial of what's inside. You'll see there's a left-hand side navigation bar. It is organized by units. So starting with Unit 1, we have Stone Age and Early Humans, going all the way to Ancient Rome. For Unit 8, just keep in mind you can skip around and you don't have to go in order. So you can access any resource or any video at any time. These buttons right here, expand and collapse. So this is at the beginning of the year. You can set up your binder, the tutorial on how to do that and get started. So let's get into the very first unit. So the Stone Age and Early Humans. We have a resource where you can download posters, borders, and banners. And then after that, this is the first activity. So back to the beginning, this or that activity. This is a really fun one for students. It's a very get up out of your seat and move. I have a tutorial on how to teach it in the classroom. Then you'll see your download resource buttons and how to teach it, teacher tips, differentiation, so you get that extra support on how to teach it in the classroom. So this is the Grapes reading passages. It includes a video tutorial, step-by-step system. Just in Unit 1, you can find all these resources. You'll have things like interactive notebooks, PowerPoints, STEM challenges, hands-on learning activities, doodle-style notes, assessments, and so much more. But what's unique about the Academy is that you just receive all that extra support with the videos and the tips and the way it's organized. So I hope to see you inside the Academy. Thank you so much for watching.